Welcome to the mini vlog of the Crazy Village Guy, and today I'm going to shift my room because this is my room where I create videos. This is a camera I use, not mine, my brother's, and the tripod. And here's my small setup. I have four printers. Two of them is BabyLab A1 and two of them is BabyLab A1 Mini. I have one in another one room, and I also have an laser engraver and the all the failed print before I launched my first order and the filament, and here is some backup for the printer in case of electricity gone, and some safety modules like the surge protection device and MCB and other things. So if you are into electronics you will understand what I'm saying, and that's all for safety. And that's my first design, like my in my first company Kaliskech, I was selling that lamp, lithophane lamps, almost 1.5 2 years back. And today I plan to rearrange the room because on the other room I will show the other room. This is my second room where I sleep and where I work, and this is the second printer I have. And here is the things which require to build the system, like the shipping box and the electronics and all the things which required to make these lamps. And these are the currently three lamps I'm launched. The first lamp is the Victory, and the second lamp is the um, vintage lamp. I'm not launched the vintage lamp because I want to sell it under 1699, but the manufacturing cost of this lamp is goes around 1499, so it's not profitable. So I'm making trying to make it profitable while selling this lamp, but for now I'm not having an idea to sell. And this is my third lamp, the August lamp, which I created. And this is the prototype I'm doing for my fourth design. It's a combination of 3D printing and resin art. So this is the fourth lamp. And yeah, so now I plan to shift my setup from like working setup to my other room, because I saw on YouTube that if you don't need to work and sleep at the same room, so it creates some negative energy. So, and I have a lot of sleeping problem, so I'm shifting from this room to my working, that printing room. And these are all the print which the trial and error, these are the prototype I made. It's not failed print, it's failed design or failed concept, I can say. So there are so many. My plan is very simple, so I'm going to put this printer here. So the space which I have in the top, which is exactly like the printer is perfectly fit in there. So I plan to fit the three printers here, and I'm going to leave one printer, the prototyping A1 Mini, here. Okay, this is how it's looking, and I placed it perfectly. So if the first printer which come maximum back and this printer go maximum front, it's still not touched to each other. There is some space, so that's very important. Now I need to get this power supply from here to there. And this is my final setup. Here I will work, and this is the new lamp I created, my recording setup, and there is my printers which almost print 20 hours a day. And here's my mini printer where I create prototyping, and now I'm creating prototype for my fourth lamp. And yeah, that's it. And from now on you guys see me making videos on this one. So bye bye.